And I love whatever this thing right here is. This is gorgeous. What is this even? Oh my god, that's so beautiful, all those colors. Yeah, because look, these are like the little Buddha guys that we have at home. Oh, that's gorgeous.
Crystal one's pretty carved out. Crystal?
Yeah, what does this say? This is the Buddha room. Wow, that is so detailed. Oh my gosh. So detailed. So detailed. Oh my gosh. It's all so gorgeous. Wow, look at all the colors. I'm so sorry. And there's no way I can avoid the glare of the glass. These are so detailed. I love teapots. These are so cool. Are those like tiny little
Pocket shrines. Yeah, wood.
oh, those are wood?
Look at that one.
I thought they were gonna be ivory.
No, it's a wood.
They're so little. They're like, how do you get that much detail on something so small? You can see the scale of the fish. Like, there's scales on that fish right there. I love like different cultures, and I love things that are old. So when you put those two things together, I'm like a kid in a candy store. This next room, it's unbelievable. I want this bed. Check out this bed. Look at this bed set. Is that not amazing? Look at all the little detail. So much detail. Oh my gosh. Check this out. These are little seating areas. Look at how gorgeous. Like all the woodworking, all the detail, even all the way up to the ceiling. Check this out. Even the ceiling. This little sitting area. This is one little room. Oh, I don't want to touch anything. Calligraphy. I took calligraphy classes when I was a kid. The detailing, the color of the wood, all of that is just phenomenal to me. Like, I love it. I love woodwork in general, but